Hello and welcome to the protocol section of the opening session. First, we'll talk about how to navigate the conference team. To navigate the conference team, you will need to know the following three things. You want to make sure you are in the Teams app at all times, and you can see where the arrow is pointing. Next, you want to check to see that you are in the correct conference team. So make sure that you're on the 1024 if it's 1024 or the 11.7 if it's on 11.7. Then you want to familiarize yourself with the channels in the team. The channels are like your conference room if you were actually at a face-to-face conference. When it comes to the channels, there are three tips that will help you to navigate them successfully. Within each room, which are the channels, there are tabs in each room. Those tabs in the top where you see that box just appear, those tabs across the top contain the session information, like the details and the link to join your session meeting. Okay. Under posts, any files shared by your presenter, such as the idea packet or the session presentation, as well as any other links like to the presenter's bio or to the workshop evaluation, which you'll see there. Let's now get a better understanding of why you see the words hidden channel in your channel list. You'll find the hidden channels where the box is on your screen. It'll say 22 hidden channels. So locate that. And then what you'll do is you'll click on it and it's going to open up all of the workshop sessions for sessions A, B, and C. Then you will just hover over each session and then you will see that the show option. And when you click show, the channels will then populate in your channel list, like you can see here, for you to easily navigate to your sessions or the sessions you are interested in. And remember, you can click show for as many sessions or as many hidden channels as you would like. Next on our list are the opening, lunch, and closing sessions that will happen in the main meeting room. You want to be sure to attend the sessions that are happening in the main meeting room, which is indicated here with the yellow box. In the main meeting room, you will have the opening, lunch, and closing sessions. And once you select the main meeting room channel, you're going to see a join button. And when you click on that join button, this is what will allow you to enter into the opening session, the lunch session, and the closing session, all happening in the main meeting room. If at any time you need help or have questions, there is a help desk channel. Just select the help desk channel option in the channel list, and then you'll see the option to join. Once you click join, you'll be able to pop in and speak to an Ed Fund staff member. During the Virtual Education Fund Expo, you will be able to visit vendors in the Vendor Exhibit Hall. Just select the Vendor Exhibit Hall channel, indicated here with the yellow box, and click the Join button. Once you enter into the channel, you'll see a Join button for each vendor where you will be able to join in on a meeting with the vendor, ask questions, get information. There's also going to be resources in the tabs of the channels, which is located toward the top for the vendors. Let's see how to access your workshops. When it's time for your workshops or your sessions to start, you're just going to access that session from your channel list. You will land in the post section of that channel where you will find that join button for you to click to enter into your workshop meeting. When you join your session or your workshop meeting, you will see a screen that looks like this before you can actually enter into the workshop session. This is where you can adjust your camera settings, microphone, and check your sound. So make sure that your camera's turned on for engagement. Make sure you are muted to avoid distractions. And again, you can check your sound to make sure that you can hear everything that you need to hear from your presenters. Don't forget to click that join button to finally enter into the meeting. While in your workshop or session meetings, you will see a screen that may look similar to this if your presenters are sharing their screen. All you have to do while in these meetings is access the chat icon in your meetings toolbar so that you can post questions and comments in the chat bar. That's all that you'll need to do while you're in your session meeting and while you're learning from your presenters. At the end of your session, the evaluation link for the workshop will be shared in the chat. Please click on this link to complete the workshop evaluation. You may also access the workshop evaluation at any time in the channels for the workshops. You will go to the tab section, and when you go to the tab, you will see the evaluation tab for which you can access the workshop evaluation and complete it. Finally, do not forget to share on social media and get social with the Education Fund. There is an Expo attendee badge that looks like this for which you can download in the general channel. So enter into the general channel, and there you will see a post with the attendee badge where you can download it and then share it on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and you can tag the Education Fund. The Education Fund social media links are located also here in the general channel in the posts as well as in the tabs section.